I don't remember how I died. Some people say I died drowning in my own tears. It was 1972. My husband, he left me. He left me for another woman. She was tall, dark hair. That next day I had bought a wedding dress, just like this one. I put it on, I looked in the mirror, and I said, "You love me, right?" I didn't say anything back. So every year, just around this time, I come up to that random person that looks just like him, and I say, "Will you marry me?"